Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing a product by Zhiyun. So I was sent this product by Zhiyun, but I wasn't paid, no money changed. And reviewing today is the Zhiyun CF100 and also the Zhiyun C100. So these are two different lights which are actually bicolor, and also they got the RGB mode. So I'll be using these two lights today in the studio to shoot a portrait editorial kind of vibe with an amazing model. So you guys come along with me as we tend to do this shoot, and I'm going to talk you guys through how I tend to use this particular light in a studio situation. And remember, these lights are actually continuous lights and they are not strobes, so it's a different and a very interesting situation for me, because I'm always used to shooting with strobes. So today I'm shooting with continuous light. So let's get into it. I meet Vicky right here. She's gonna be our model for today. Like, look at the skinning. Our skin is shining. Trying to block the natural light coming in.
So I started by adding both the CF100 and the C100 behind the model, and I made the C100 act as my main light. They were both set to the RGB color of blue.
Just stay. Help me look that way for me. Yeah, that way. Just hold it that way. Hold that pose. Boom. Stay.
So one thing I'm going to say I observed about using this continuous light is the ease that comes with it. Because if I had to use a studio strobe to get this particular images right here, I would have to buy a color gel to add on the light, and this is going to be an extra cost and extra hassle, having to fine-tune different color gels on different lights to match up.
Oh, that's beautiful. Stay.
So using this kind of continuous light makes my shoot easy, and at the same time I am seeing the shots before I even take the pictures.
There, love.
Using the same light setup, I decided to add another continuous light to act as a backlight for this next look I was going for. And guys, the bundle that actually comes with this light actually came in handy for this next look I was trying, as I could be able to direct the light source to exactly where I want it to go and not spill on the background.
Yeah, the light is on you. Stay, hold that.
One of the reasons I've never actually looked towards using a continuous light in shooting my studio portraiture or fashion images is because of the power output, and the power output of both the CF100 and the C100 is 100 watts. And guys, I was only at 30% power output using this particular light.
Love it. Just I love when you're looking all the way there, that way. Yeah.
After finishing this first look, I had no option but to try out different colors because I had the flexibility at hand. So I decided to add a red light as my main light, and also still kept the same blue using the CF100 and also the C100.
Good with this particular there, love it.
So guys, after playing with different colors, I decided to shoot more of a beauty shot, where I decided to add the Zhiyun CF100 and also the Zhiyun C100 as my kicker light. So I had both lights to the left and to the right of my model, and I added another continuous light as my main light. So this light actually created a separation between the model and the background and created a lovely highlight, as you can see in the photos we had here.
You know, beautiful.
And all this while, when I was shooting for about 2 hours, the power never went off. It kept on going, although I wasn't shooting at the maximum power output. So to end this particular photo session, I decided to add another color play, where I decided to add a purple and a green light, as these are both complementary colors on the color wheel.
Stay. Oof, girl. Fire.
So guys, if you feel like you want to check out these lights, I'm going to put a link in my description box for the Zhiyun CF100 and also the Zhiyun C100. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this video and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Ciao.
Beautiful. Hi, Sumi. Boom.